So how do you trim audio with your Android device? Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all comes down to where the audio is, because most likely you're going to have a built-in voice recorder. And if you recorded the audio through this application, then of course you can go ahead and perform some changes to it. Like you can click on it and then go to the edit mode by clicking the pencil icon. And this gives you the ability to trim it from the right or left side of the thing, and that's how you can end up with the trimmed audio, right? And that is, of course, if you captured it through the voice recorder, right? So that's something which you can most definitely do. On the other hand, if you need more, or if you have some different audio files saved somewhere else, then you can as well look into the Google Play Store, where you can look up some dedicated audio editors. There are plenty of apps which will get the job done. Some of them might require a paid subscription, some of them are fully free, so it really depends. But yeah, these apps will likely have the ability to import the audio file from anywhere inside of the phone, perform some changes to it, even like the basic edits, of course, but also something more advanced. So that would make it a bit more different from the built-in audio recorder. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. That's gonna be about it from me, and I'll see you in the upcoming tutorials. Of course, stay tuned so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.